Let's prepare to meditate. Adjust your body so that you are sitting comfortably. Close your eyes. Rest your hands on your lap in any way that is comfortable for you. Take a nice filling breath in. Breathe deeply in through your nose and breathe out slowly through your mouth. Do this again. Now when you exhale, breathe out with a long sigh. Do this breathing again a few more times to settle your mind and body. You are ready to begin. In today's meditation, we will explore the curious way our body tingles when we pay very, very close attention. Let's see if you can feel it. Imagine a beam of light shining on your face, your eyes, nose, cheeks, and mouth. Try to imagine your face tingling in reaction to this light. Try to actually feel it. Imagine the light on your face. Imagine its warmth. And imagine your face tingling in reaction. Imagine the light focuses itself on one single point on your face now. Try to feel it tingle on that exact point that you choose. If you can't feel it, don't worry. Just focus your attention on the light and its warmth. Imagine the light focusing on your hand now. Either hand, it doesn't matter. Focus your attention on your hand so intently that your hand actually begins to tingle. Challenge yourself to move all that tingling energy to the tip of one single finger. Try to feel a tingling in your finger. The light now focuses on your lips. See if you can feel a tingling energy there. Now the beam of light goes to your feet. See if you can feel anything there. Feel this tingling light upon your feet. The beam of light travels up your body and shines upon your chest. See what you can feel there. Try to notice a tingling in your chest. And now let this light shine all over your body. Let your whole body feel alive with tingles. Let it help you to relax. Take a moment now to just breathe easily. Enjoy your relaxed state and listen to the music. As our meditation comes to a close, draw your attention back to your real body. Notice and feel where your body is touching the floor or chair. Wiggle your fingers. Wiggle your toes. Take a deep breath. Now go ahead and stretch out your body in any way that feels good to you. When you are ready, open your eyes. Now go out and find the magic in your day.